11 worthy gadgets that you can actually buy. Hello and welcome back, gadget lovers. If this is your first time here, it's good to have you back. And if you've been here before, it's great to have you back. Everyone loves to have gadgets around because they help simplify our lives and save time and energy. In today's video, we'll discuss 11 worthy gadgets that you can actually buy. From wearable gadgets to cool tools that can make your work easier, we've got you covered. So stick around until the end, because there's one for you. Number 1. Hilti CFS-SL. The Hilti CFS-SL is a fire stop sleeve system for laying cables in hospitals, server rooms, conference rooms, and factories. This option enables you to work with bundles of wires where current air control and maximum simplicity of maintenance are required. It allows you to work with bundles of cables. It can be used on a ceiling with brick, concrete, drywall, and sandwich panels if necessary. The sleeve can be filled with wires up to 100%, and the conduits up to 63 millimeters in diameter can be used. The sleeve is resistant to mold and mildew. It comes with several versions with different diameters. It also has excellent adhesion properties and remains flexible, accommodating building movement. Number 2. Kreg Panel Carrier. The Kreg Panel Carrier is a handy tool designed to simplify carrying large sheets of material by yourself or with other coworkers. It can transport sheets of plywood, boards, and other cumbersome materials that can be difficult to handle independently. The carrier features a sturdy grip handle that allows for comfortable carrying and reduces the risk of dropping the sheet. All you need to do is clamp, lift, and go. This built-in clamp holds the sheet in place, freeing up your hand to open doors or navigate through tight spaces and type a review on your smartphone about how great and convenient it is. It has a load capacity of 45 kilograms, a maximum panel thickness of 19 millimeters, and the ability to work with panels of 1220 by 2440 millimeters. Number 3. FLIKR Fire Fireplace Kit. The FLIKR Fire Fireplace Kit is a portable and eco-friendly way to enjoy a fire's warmth and ambience anywhere. This portable fireplace will add soothing touches to all your gatherings in and outdoors. It uses rubbing alcohol as fuel, which burns cleanly and doesn't produce smoke or soot. It can burn for up to 60 minutes and can be refilled in just a few moments. The kit has a stainless steel burner and a ceramic base which can be placed on any flat surface. It's also small enough to be carried in a backpack, making it perfect for camping trips or outdoor gathering. Number 4. The Unidice Gaming Console. With the Unidice Digital Gaming Console, you can roll your way into a whole new gaming realm. This innovative dice lets you roll it just like you would a regular dice, but it also has 6 high-definition digital displays that you can control using software that comes with it. Prepare for some great action with games like Los Banditos, House of Influence, Cyber Run, and Dice Poker. Or even create your games and apps using the SDK. Unidice is ideal for on-the-go gaming with Bluetooth connectivity and up to 4 hours of continuous use. Its 1.7-ounce weight and small size also make it easy to carry everywhere. Retro gaming fans or anyone searching for fun and handy gaming console should consider Unidice. Number 5. Lenovo Project Chronos. The Lenovo Project Chronos remote workspace concept lets you work with your team from anywhere. The fact that it combines the virtual and real world is the most incredible feature. You don't need to wear any motion capture equipment to use this gadget. Like Avatar, you can control your life using body movements, gestures, postures, and facial expressions. The device uses an RGB depth camera to record your actions, which are then duplicated in a 3D virtual environment shown on your house's monitor. As a result, you may work from any location and still get a similar experience to being in the same room as your team. It's like having unrestricted virtual freedom to work with your colleagues. Number 6. Debarker Pro. The Debarker Pro is a tool for removing bark from logs, firewood, fence posts, and other wood materials. It fastens to a chainsaw and uses its power quickly and effectively to remove the bark. The Debarker Pro is strong and long-lasting equipment built of sturdy steel and works with most chainsaws. It's simple to install and use and can be altered to fit various log sizes. Using the Debarker Pro, one can save time and effort while preparing wood for a variety of uses as well as preventing saws from getting blunt. Number 7. iSwift Metaura Pro. The Metaura Pro is a wearable air conditioning that keeps you cool even on the hottest days. It has cooling plates and air ducts that can lower your body temperature by 18 degrees Fahrenheit and securely fit around your neck. Whether in cooling or fan mode, it generates cold air 7 degrees colder than the surrounding air. A travel case and additional software that lets you manage the fan's settings are part of the Metaura Pro. Furthermore, it offers a warming mode that helps ease discomfort and pain. The Metaura Pro is lightweight and has a battery life of more than 8 hours, making it comfortable to wear for an extended time. Number 8. Illusionist Pyro Mini. Have you ever wondered if there's anything in this world that can help you perform a couple tricks, like shooting fire from an empty hand? Well, with this tiny gadget, everyone can produce fireballs out of nowhere without any special skills. The gadget comes with a detachable strap so you can cover it with your sleeve. It uses a 30-foot range of flash paper and flashes cotton to create a flame. The device is rechargeable and can fire up to 600 shots per charge. It also comes with a remote control that can be used to trigger the device from a distance. The Pyro Mini is a popular tool for magicians, performers, and special effects enthusiasts who want to add a dramatic flair to their acts or production. Number 9. TapStrap 2. The TapStrap 2 is a wearable keyboard that allows users to type on any surface using simple finger movements. You can also use it to play your favorite games or use gestures to scroll web pages. The device uses sensors and a built-in gyroscope to detect finger taps and gestures, which are then translated into letters and numbers. In the most futuristic way, the strap provides up to 10 hours of operation and is comfortable to wear. It's compatible with most devices including smartphones, tablets, and computers, and can control various applications. In addition, the TapStrap 2 is lightweight and portable, making it convenient. It's also an excellent option for individuals with disabilities or mobility issues that make typing on traditional keyboards difficult. Number 10. Bumblebee Bluetooth Speaker. Are you a fan of Transformers? Well, it's time to meet Bumblebee and Optimus Prime. These Bluetooth speakers boast a 3-watt output with double speakers and a double diaphragm. You'll enjoy a realistic sound experience that'll touch your heart. And with its subwoofer multifunction, you can take it wherever you want to go, whether outdoor activities or just chilling at home. Bluetooth 5.0 ensures there won't be any lags within a 100-foot range, and 6 hours of running time is more than enough to enjoy a party. Plus, its small size makes it portable and perfect for outdoor use, making it an ideal gift on any occasion. Number 11. The Third Eye Evolution1. The Third Eye Evolution1 is primarily designed for enterprise use cases such as manufacturing, logistics, and healthcare, where hands-free access to information and real-time data is critical for productivity and safety. It's also an excellent choice for those who can't take their hands off their phones. The Third Eye helps avoid obstacles while walking and when looking at a phone. An ultrasonic sensor detects when the head is tilted down, and a warning beep sounds when a hazard is caught up to 3 feet away. The DIY project uses an Arduino platform camera gyroscope and sonar sensor. It's also an excellent tool for developers and AR enthusiasts who want to explore the possibilities of augmented reality. And with all that, we've reached the end of this video. What do you think about these 11 gadgets? Do you intend to purchase any of them? Comment below and let us know. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and remember to subscribe to get more videos like this.